Hey guys, so we need to prove this equation. How are we gonna do it? Okay, so first we're gonna say that this is the square root of 5 times 100 minus 2 times 10. Okay, so what I did is just take factor here 5 and here 2. Here I took another 5 and here I took also 5. Okay, and then I did the same thing. Okay, so I took from 10 I took 5 and 2, and from 100 I took 5 and 20, and from 25 I took 5, 5 and 5, because 25 is 5 times 5, and from 9 I took 3 and 3, and then I got this equation because 20 is 5 times 4, and 2 times 2 is 4. So everything just falls into place. Now what I did was, okay, I took all the 5, put them in one spot, meaning all of this under the same square root, all of this under the same square root, all of this under the same square root, all of this are already in the same square root, but the above 3 also the same square root. And then what we did was 5, the square root of 5 is 5 times the square root of 5, and the square root of 2 to the power of 2 is actually 2. And then here the square root of 2 times to the power of 2 is 2, and the square root of 5 is square root of 5. And the same thing I did here. Okay, now I took the square root of 5 as the common denominator, so n2, so 2 times the square root of 5. And here what I get is the factor is 5, and here the factor is 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4, easy. Here, square root of 5, okay, is the common denominator, and I get 5 plus 3, okay? And I can see that I have the square root of 5 in both places, so I can just divide it by it, okay? But you don't have to. But anyway, what we will get is 2 times 4, because 5 minus 1 is 4, equal 8, which is true, okay? Because 8 equals 8, and that's it. We proved that. So hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I'm out.